Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to learn about area of a triangle. Very simple and sweet. All you need to know is the formula for finding the area of a triangle, and that's area or A equals 1/2 B times H. B equals the base, and H equals the height of the triangle. So the base is just that. It's the base of the triangle. So I'm going to label that B. And then the H is the height. So from the top peak all the way down to the base, that would be the height. That's an H. Okay, so let's go ahead and try one of these. So here's my triangle. And my base is 20 meters. And let's say the height, that's the top to the base, is 8 meters. Okay, so we're just going to plug in my base. Now remember, the base is the bottom, and the height is the top peak to the base. So I'm going to label that H. We just plug them in. A is area equals 1/2 base, which is 20, times height, which is 8. Okay, so you can multiply 20 times 8 by 1/2 and go ahead and do that in fraction wise, or you can say 0.5 times 20 times 8 and you will get 80. 20 times 8 is 160 times 0.5 is 80. Or you could say 20 times 8 divided by 2, which is the same thing as multiplying 1/2. If you multiply 1/2 by 20 and 8, you ultimately get 160 over 2. So 160 divided by 2 is the same thing as 80. Okay? So you can do it either way. You can use a 1/2 fraction and turn 20 and 8 into fractions, or you could just multiply 20 times 8, or base times height, by 0.5, or you could take base times height and divide it by 2. So that would look like this. You could say area equals base times height divided by 2. It's the same thing as this formula here. So you can use either of these formulas. Or plugging in 0.5 times B times H. Let me write that other formula down for you. They're all the same way. You're just manipulating the formula a little bit. 0.5 times B times H, base times height, and you get the area. So any of these three formulas will work. You get the same answer. Oh, and let's go ahead back to the area of this triangle. That's 80 meters, and remember we have to square it, or 80 square meters. Okay, simple as that. If you have any questions, let me know.